We're in Plantation Bay, May 8th, 12 p.m., 86 degrees. And here at Plantation Bay, one of the subscribers or one of the viewers in the last live, yeah, a subscriber in the last live was asking about, this from Ken H. And as I was reviewing the live, he was asking about, well, where could you stay at Cebu City for vacation? And we talked a little bit about that, but I wanted to go into really, I think, some better options for that type of thing, which is the island of Lapu-Lapu. And out at a resort called Plantation Bay, and they offer a day use package. Yes. Yes. So the Plantation Bay Resort, they actually offer a day use package, which, you know, if you're out there even just kind of wandering through the city, or you can stay here, but the day use was 1,800 pesos per person. And that includes a really good, I think, 3 or 4 course meal lunch, which is where I'm at right now. And then you have access to their facilities here, which is this really expansive pool and lagoons, and they have a gym and bicycles and all kinds of things you can do, as well as beach access. So I'll see if I can post, I actually took a picture of the map. I'll see if I can post a picture of the map right here in which you can see kind of all the areas that you would have access to. And that's, again, that's 1,800 pesos during the day, weekday. And then I think it goes up to maybe 2,500 pesos on the weekend. And then it looks like the room rates are around the 10,000 peso per night. So you can, you know, definitely stay here and have access to all this stuff here, but they also have day use stuff. And I think, you know, looking back more, Ken, on your question during that live, I think, you know, probably this Mactan area, if you're just visiting and vacationing, there's a whole bunch of resorts all up and down this coast here that, you know, probably more suited for vacation type stuff. So, but yeah, enjoying it out here today and getting ready to have this really incredible lunch. So thought I'd film it real quick. All right, first course just arrived. Just a little macaroni salad, it looks like. Yeah, just a little macaroni salad there. Looks like a little bit. No, not bad. Nami? Nami kayo? Yeah, pretty good. All right. Cool. Salamat. Yeah, salamat. All right. So the main course just arrived. Got some rice, some grilled fish, and whatever that is. Let's see what we got here. That's good rice. A little sticky, but not bad. Well, fish is pretty good. Fish is really good. Wow, that fish is amazing. I have no idea what this is. It's good though. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, pretty good. Fish, rice, and whatever that is. Nami kayo. All right, back for dessert. Okay, now we got the last course that just arrived. We have some kind of dessert. Yeah, pretty good. So yeah, this was all included in the price for 1,800 pesos. You got access to the property. You got a 3-course meal. And on the property, I think I've got access to like boats and canoes and kayaks and some bicycles. So we're gonna do more here. Maybe take a nap after lunch. We're gonna do some more here, but so far the lunch has been great. This dessert you got me, I don't know what it is. No. All right, we'll check back in a minute. All right. So one of the cool things I have are these bikes you could rent. Check this out. Check out this property. It's really cool. It's pretty good size too. I mean, what a great place to stay. A little bit on the expensive side, but you know, not compared to what you get, right? I mean, I think the rooms you can get in, I think it was around 10,000. Probably check their website for pricing, but because I was considering just staying the night, but it's 10,000 a night. And you know, you'd have access to all that, plus the beach. You know, lots of, looks like they have lots of other things going on here too. Just some cool real structures like this. I think this is another pool area in there. It's really cool little bike path. Little park. Yeah, kids park and play section there. Looks like tennis courts there. Oh yeah, a whole new pool there with some slides and stuff. Here's a cafe, right? Another little pool area there. Cafe, tapas and pastries, check that out. That's incredible. Where are we going now? Are we going inside of a mountain? No. My goodness. Area here, little restaurant. Going inside of a mountain? Holy mackerel. What do we got here? Man. How cool is this, right? It's so fun. So again, this is Plantation Bay. Even just the day use, coming out and checking it out. If you're here in Cebu, if you're not even staying here, it's just something fun to do, I think, if you're in town. Hi. Yeah, it's just beautiful, beautiful property. Real cool setting. Yeah, here's one of the lagoons. And the restaurant is right here. Restaurants right here. Some lagoon. Dun 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 dun. Yeehaw! So here we're coming up on the water. Yep, here's the water. Here. Here's the water there. A cool bamboo area. And here we are back at the main entrance. Coconut bar, and there's more of the thing. Beautiful. The lagoon. Yeah. Now we're back at the gym. How cool is that? All right, we are heading out. What a great place this is. Check out this lagoon area here. We rode the bikes around. They actually have all kinds of stuff I didn't really show on camera. They got like an archery range, a rock climbing wall, a little like, not really a putt-putt golf, but you know, just like a one-hole kind of putting area. Tennis courts, that's all over kind of in that one area over there. We rode really kind of by it on the bike, but didn't go in it. I think an archery range, if I didn't say that already. Yeah, just a lot to do here. Yeah, a lot going on. And the food was great too. Yeah, they had this, we just found this diner back there and had a couple of mango shakes. Those were great. I'm actually here with my friend Christine. I'm gonna introduce her coming up in a video. I really want to shoot a video there from where she's at in Balaban. She's really shy on camera, so I want to introduce her, but she's here with me. We actually went out and we rode these little sea kayaks or little kayaks. It's just great, lots to do here. I think it's you know, for 1,800 pesos for day use, including lunch, it's good value. Wouldn't want to do it all the time, but you know, it's nice. It's pretty cool and just beautiful. I mean, look at this area. You got your sand, you can hang out. Got a little, and that's a saltwater lagoon area. They do have water to the access to the beach right there too. So you beach, swam there for a little bit. It was really kind of cool. But here you can have, you know, just saltwater lagoon. They also have some freshwater pools. There's like several pools that are throughout the property here. So yeah, I think really good value for what you pay. I don't know what the rooms are like, but I would assume nice. You got all these patios and stuff there. You can sit right out on the water. They said, I think it was like 10,000 pesos for a room. And they probably have nicer rooms too. But wanted to shoot, this is a place I've been meaning to come out to. It's one of the drawbacks, honestly, I think of Cebu, living in here, is you don't really have a lot of beach access like you would in other parts of the Philippines, but you can do this kind of thing. You come out to one of the resorts, you can spend the afternoon at a resort and kind of enjoy yourself out here. So that's what I did today. Kind of chilled out at Plantation Bay for the day. So anyways, with that said, hope all is good. Everyone, really appreciate you watching and, you know, checking out the channel. Lots of new people checking things out and subscribing. So man, I just really appreciate that. And yeah, what's coming up next? You know, I don't really have any big trips. I'm looking more down the road to like September, October, November, December timeframe. I'm looking around that to do kind of a lot of big trips, but I don't really have anything planned. But with that said, I can, you know, it just kind of depends on what happens. I'm really fluid in being here. I can just kind of pop up and go anywhere. I don't really have a lot of commitments. But yeah, so I don't know. I was really wanting to go out to like Comodos Island or Siquijor, or shoot, maybe even back to Bantayan. But yeah, if I get my motorcycle registration here soon, I might do that, check that out again. But yeah, so it just kind of depends, really depends. Yeah, so this is another thing. This is where we picked up the bikes. But this area straight ahead here is the gym. They got a full gym in here, a game room with ping pong and pool tables. Walk in here real quick, show you guys what's in here. Yeah, this is fun riding these bikes around. You know, just a little loop, you know, but neat kind of getting out. Real cool game room, bunch of pool tables, ping pong table, games. Yeah, pretty neat, pretty cool. All right, guys, we'll talk to everyone soon.